30-day low-carb diet ketosis plan, day 15. In breakfast. Phony macaroni and cheese. Ingredients for phony macaroni and cheese. 1 lb. Tofu, firm, well-drained. 2 cups cheddar cheese. 2 eggs. 1/4 cup heavy cream. Salt and pepper, to taste. Onion and garlic, to taste. Nutmeg, to taste. Dry mustard, to taste. Cayenne, to taste. Make sure you use the firmest tofu available for this recipe. You may also want to be generous with the spices and use some extra sharp cheese to liven up the normally bland flavor of tofu. Drain tofu well, making sure to squeeze out all extra moisture, and slice into small pieces. Use a French fry cutter or equivalent for consistent sizes. In a separate bowl, mix together eggs, cream and cheese. Stir tofu pieces into the mixture and add seasonings as desired. Transfer mixture to a casserole dish or greased pie plate and bake at 375 for 30 to 45 minutes or until golden brown. Yields 4 servings. Total net carbs, 2.6 grams per serving. In lunch. Bacon cheeseburger. Ingredients for bacon cheeseburger. 1 pound ground beef. 1 egg. 4 ounces, cheddar cheese. 4 ounces, mozzarella cheese. 4 slices bacon garlic powder, salt and pepper. Preheat oven to 350. Pre-cook bacon in conventional oven or microwave. When cooked, crumble bacon and set aside as toppings. In a large skillet, brown ground beef and drain remaining fat. Mix in egg, cheddar, garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Transfer to a glass casserole dish and top with mozzarella. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Top with bacon crumbles. Yields 3 servings. Total net carbs, 2 grams per serving. In dinner. Low-carb deep dish quiche pizza. Ingredients for low-carb deep dish quiche pizza. 4 ounces cream cheese, 3 eggs. 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese. 1/3 cup heavy cream. 1/2 teaspoon oregano. 2 cups shredded Italian cheese, mozzarella, Romano, Parm mix, or your choice. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 cup tomato sauce. 1 cup shredded mozzarella. 20 slices pepperoni. Preheat oven to 375 degrees. In mixing bowl, beat together the eggs and cream cheese until smooth. Stir in heavy cream, Parmesan and spices. Pour 2 cups cheese into a nonstick, 13 by 9 inch baking pan or equivalent. Add the egg mixture on top of the cheese and blend together so that cheese is suspended in the mixture and not concentrated at the bottom of the pan. Bake in oven approximately 30 minutes and then briefly remove the pan to add on layers of mozzarella and pepperoni. Return to oven for 10 more minutes or until the dish is bubbly and brown. Yields 4 servings. Total net carbs, 6 grams per serving. Total net carbs for day 15 based on a single serving per meal, 10.6 grams. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more future videos and do like, share and comment below.